friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and I hope everyone's doing well today. And if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm sharing with you a very easy and quick meal. It is a chicken and rice casserole, and very simple ingredients. You need a can of cream of chicken soup, a box of rice-a-roni, the chicken flavor, a half a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, a half a cup of diced bell peppers, so you want to have that really kind of small diced. The onions can be chopped, and that's a half a cup. 1 cup of carrots sliced, and you want them somewhat thin. You don't want them too chunky because you want them to cook through. And I kind of cut some of them in half or in 4s because it was large carrots. It called for rotisserie chicken, but I just used 1 chicken breast, and that worked fine. I cooked it on an electric grill that I have inside, and that worked fine. Just chop it up into little cubes. 1 cup of sour cream and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And now I'm going to show you how easy this is to put together. Great for a weeknight meal. So the first thing you will do is just follow the directions on the box of rice-a-roni. So I know most people have already have made rice-a-roni in their lifetime, but I'm just going to kind of go through the steps of it. But you would just melt that butter, and then you're going to also add, the only other thing you need for the rice-a-roni is water. But just melt that butter down, and then once that butter starts to melt, then you just add the rice-a-roni to the pan, and you will just cook that until the rice browns a little bit. And once you have that done, because this doesn't take very long, so don't walk away from the pan, but once it browns, then you're going to add the water slowly to the pan. Then add the seasoning packet that comes with the rice-a-roni, and you will bring this to a boil. And you want to cook this. This usually cooks about 15 minutes. So for about 10 minutes, you want to cook this down, and you will cover it. And then after 10 minutes, then you will add the onions. And you want to kind of stir that in a little bit. Then add the bell pepper. Add the carrots. And just make sure you mix everything well. You're going to cook this, you're going to cover it and then cook it for another 5 minutes. And that should be long enough because we will put this in the oven. So 5 more minutes covered, and that should be good. And then once that's done, add in your cream of chicken soup. And I usually mix everything in as I go. I don't like to kind of put it all at one time. So I will mix in that cream of chicken soup. Then I will add the sour cream and add that in. And as I said, just make sure you're mixing it well to combine all the ingredients together. And next add the chicken. And I did season the chicken with a little bit of pepper and garlic powder when I cooked it, just to add a little bit of flavor to that. And the last ingredient that you will add is the black pepper. So just stir that really well. Spray with a nonstick spray a 13 by 9 inch pan that's oven safe, and just so nothing sticks to it. Then you will add that rice mixture to this. And you want to just spread it out just to evenly distribute it throughout the pan, just so that way it cooks evenly. And the next step will be to add the cheese on top. And of course, I always add a little extra, so you can either go with what the recipe calls for, which is a half a cup. But you can see once I'm done, I just felt like it needed a little bit more, so I added just a little bit more to cover it. But you would bake this in the oven on 350 for a half an hour uncovered. And this is what it looks like when it's done. We really did enjoy this one. Really good, very creamy, and it just had a really good taste to it. I think anybody would enjoy this if you like rice-a-roni and you like cheese, that type of thing. Very good recipe. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. God bless y'all.